Good evening, I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Noah Gordon with your NewsLink Indiana weather. Very calm and quiet day across the region today. If we take a look outside right now, current temperature 71 in Muncie, 75 in Terre Haute. Overall, like I mentioned, very calm and very quiet today, and the almanac does in fact reflect that here. We see an average high of 76, today's high of 72, 4 degrees below average in fact. So a little bit cooler, obviously nowhere near our record high of 91 set all the way back in 2017. So things have very much calmed down. Overnight, going to be a quiet night, mostly cloudy with that 58-degree low, winds out of the north at about 5 miles an hour. So maybe a little chilly, especially if you're headed out anywhere late tonight. Tomorrow, going to be another calm weather day, one of the last for quite a while here. See partly cloudy skies throughout the day with a high of 75 degrees. Those winds out of the northeast at 10 miles an hour. Now, our next weather maker we're tracking is in fact a hurricane. This is Hurricane Helene, currently here a Category 1 hurricane off the Yucatan Peninsula, moving north at 12 miles an hour with sustained winds of 85 miles an hour. We're expecting this to make landfall on the Florida Gulf Coast late Thursday, early Friday as a major Category 4 hurricane that will bring impacts to both the southeast and here in east central Indiana. We see our precision cast. We see that rain and those clouds moving in late Friday into the afternoon and evening hours. Rain getting to Muncie here by about 7 p.m. And overall, that rain and those windy conditions are going to just stick around throughout the entire weekend, making for a gloomy and rainy weekend with lots of wind in there. You see rain still here by Sunday 1 p.m. But the big thing we're going to watch is those wind gusts, like I mentioned. We see here Friday 9 a.m. by the time you're headed out anywhere early Friday morning for that morning commute. Wind gusts already out of the east at 25 to 30 miles an hour. So going to be blustery throughout the day, and it's only going to get worse. We see those wind gusts finally topping out at about 35, 40, even sporadic 45 mile an hour wind gusts by the time we get to Friday evening into the overnight hours. So I would expect even some sporadic power outages Friday evening, and basically anything outside that tends to be blown away in strong winds needs to be bolted or tied down to any sort of sturdy structure. Now, luckily those winds do calm down as we head into Saturday, but overall just a kind of an interesting pattern here with the remnants of Helene moving up into the region. Now, taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we see 75 and cloudy on Thursday, 40% chance of rain on Friday with those wind gusts like I mentioned, and then the real rain hits 80% chance of rain on Saturday, 71 degrees. Sunday, 73, still some rain, but overall a drier day in general. Monday and Tuesday, 75 on Monday, may actually see our first chance of sunshine in 4 or 5 days here, and then much cooler next week, may not even hit the 70-degree mark Tuesday and Wednesday. For more weather information, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at NLI Weather.